Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. You can also turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We are diving right in. I'm very excited to dive into this box today. I recently uploaded my Beautylish Lucky Bag and I happened to get the Charlotte's Beauty Treasure Chest of Love in my freaking lucky bag. You'll have to go watch that. Literally the best bag I've ever seen ever, and I happen to get it. I am still overjoyed and I cannot believe I got this in there. So here is the package that it comes in, and I asked in that video during the unboxing, I said, I know that it's not holiday time, it is not currently advent calendar season time, but would you guys like to see the full unboxing of this? And you guys said yes, so we are gonna dive in. I don't know that they actually called it an advent calendar. It's like the little treasure chest, but it was obviously, you know, like a holiday type of release. So there are no numbers or anything on these doors that I can tell. And a few of you even commented and you were like, I hope you're keeping that box. I am absolutely gonna keep this. I think I'm gonna use it as a jewelry box. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in. And I do have on my eyes, base, and stuff like that, so maybe we can play with a couple of items. So if I do not have a completed makeup look, that's why. I'm gonna try to see if we can play with some items in here. Whatever I know that I'm not gonna keep and use will go into my resale group. It is always linked down below. And I'm actually getting ready to post my largest sale I've ever done in there, so just FYI. All right, first of all, it feels nice and heavy and weighted. I loved the outer box. I love this. I think it is absolutely beautiful. It can be reused. It's nice and sturdy. And I like that there's like the stars and the hearts. And it's beautiful. So I'm gonna start here. Okay, I feel like this might be something I already own, and I should have actually worn my glasses. This I'm gonna assume is a balm, and it is in the shade Pillow Talk. Of course, a Charlotte Tilbury staple. I don't want to click that up too much because I feel like these are the ones that don't go down. Yes, it is. So I think that's just like the Pillow Balm in Pillow Talk. Next up, I'll just go right beside it, is a little mini liner. I'm assuming also in Pillow Talk. I do also have this. Let's see, Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk. Yes, so it is a little mini. Cult classic, of course. I feel like a lot of us probably owned that product by this point. I think I'm gonna go like from the top and then work my way down. So we'll go here next. All right, I think it's another liner, lip liner, I don't know. Pillow Talk eyeliner. I didn't realize I had a Pillow Talk eyeliner. Don't know where I've been. I do want to just kind of see what it looks like. Oh, that looks very pretty. I do already have white eyeliner on, or I would test this. And I do, like I said, have a few of her liners already. I have a couple eyeliners and lip liners. I think I'll keep that, but I'm gonna see. All right, next up right here is another lip product. And so far, other than I think the balm, I think these are all minis. And this did retail for $220, and I got the regular lucky bag and only paid $75. So I'm still excited, you guys. And this is a little mini lipstick. Love the packaging. I should have worn my glasses, so I will put it right here. And it is a beautiful red shade. All right, I feel like I would be happy thus far. Like if I would have paid for this, I would like in a advent style thing to receive more full-size products than what we are seeing. Okay, we have a big drawer here. That's exciting. All right, that is the Charlotte's Magic Cream. I have tried this before and I actually do not like this. I am a big fan of Charlotte Tilbury, most of what I've tried. I'm not a fan of like overtly fragranced type skincare, so this just is not something that I personally would use. I have heard though that the lighter one is a little bit less dense. Like this for me feels just a little bit too dense and a little bit too kind of thick and heavy on the skin. That's personal preference, but I've seen that the light one is maybe not quite as heavy on the skin. All right, we're going right here. Another big drawer, which is slightly misleading. Okay, I actually have this on today, and I do love this. I've repurchased it. It is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. and I am panning one currently. The only thing I do not like about this, it is quite fine of a fragrance, but it is intense. Like, a lot comes out at one time. I don't know that you'd be able to see that. And it's not overtly fragrance, but there's a kiss of a perfumey scent to it. But I really do like this, so I'm happy to have that. I do also love this. Like, these boxes are gonna fit a lot of stuff. And again, really well made. So maybe if you're on the fence, if you've never tried it or something like that, so maybe, you know, for upcoming, you know, holiday season or something like that, you've debated it, I think it's fine. Next up, we'll go right here. I don't know what this is. This is the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mascara. I cannot remember if this is one that I have tried. I did try one of hers and I did not like it. Yeah, it probably was this one. This is not my favorite type of a like wand, but I will demo this for you guys and we'll try it out together. All right. Next up, we're coming right here. And it appears to be a full-size wand. That makes me happy. This is the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand High Blush, and it is in Pink Gasm. Next up, coming right here. Something else I don't think that I'm going to use. If you have tested this, let me know. This is the Charlotte's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. Again, if it is like fragranced in the way that the Charlotte's Cream is, I already know I'm not going to like it. And again, y'all, that's personal preference. It may be the best thing you've ever tried in your entire existence. Next up, we're coming right here. It is another mini lip product. And this one is in Pillow Talk. I do already have a Pillow Talk. That looks a little richer than what mine does, unless mine's just a little bit older, which could definitely be. Okay, I'm still excited. I feel like if I would have paid $2.20 for this, I might have been a little bit upset, not gonna lie. We're coming down here. Another skincare product. This is the Glow Toner with Niacinamide. And I actually do also think I have one of those that I'm trying to use up. So I think I will probably hold on to this as well. I do like this, the niacinamide cleanser. I do like this, so I will definitely hold on to that as well. All right, you guys, and then last but not least in our little treasure chest here is the Charlotte's Magic Lip Oil Crystal Elixir. I love lip treatments, lip oils, and stuff like that. So basing it off of the fact that, you know, I just happened to get it in a lucky bag and I got incredibly lucky, thrilled. Absolutely thrilled to have it. Let me check the top too. I don't know if there's something in here or if it's empty. It's empty. I feel like they could have put something in here. I don't know what, but they could have done a little something something in there. The overall, like the aesthetics, the packaging and stuff like that, I think is beautiful. I would have liked to have seen some more full sizes in here, me personally. And I'll just kind of go through again. We got our balm. We got the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. We got the Magic Serum. We also got the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand. We got 2 mini lipsticks. We got a mini lip liner and an eyeliner. We got the mascara and the lip oil. And then we got 2 products that I already know and love, the toner and the spray. Not bad at all, but not blowing my socks off. If I were paying $2.20, I would prefer to kind of go to a brand's website and kind of pick and choose what I want, but also in the nature of what I do, had I've received this during like holiday time and stuff like that, you know, obviously I can gift it, give away, I have my resale group, things like that. I do want to try out the lip oil and the mascara with you guys. I do have a little bit of lip oil on, I'll just wipe that off. And then most everything here, like I said, I already have those types of products, so most of this is going to get put over into my little resale group. It literally just says lip conditioner by day and lip mask by night. I'm fine with that. I love products like this. Okay, I only have typically seen these types of products for like an under eye cooling type of vibe. Ooh, now that smells nice. It smells very like vanilla-y, baked goods-y. All right, that I like. Beautiful little level of shine, which if I was wearing it, I'd probably do it at night. It smells really, really nice. Not like fake, weird, you know, vanilla. It smells really nice. I like that. All right, so I'm keeping that as well. And then I will go into the mascara. Like I said, these are not always my favorite types of wands. I typically, if I am going to use something like this, I will go in with something like this first and kind of give like the lift and separation, and then I'll go in with like a volumizing type mascara. So let me get my mirror kind of close. I do like these types as far as, you know, for like length separation, but I have very sensitive eyes and I tend to poke myself with these types of wands. I also am somebody that I really like volume and curl too. Like I kind of want all the things with mascara. So far though, it is doing a really nice job of lifting, and it does have like different little sections on it. It is slightly drier, which is my preference for a mascara. Huh, I'm gonna be eating my words. I feel like I like this. I don't feel like it's like becoming clumpy or anything like that. I'm going with just a little bit more. I like a drier like mascara formula, so for me, it's checking a few of those boxes. Really good separation. Really nice and black. And while I'm mainly seeing length, it's also doing a really good job of like lifting. Huh. Okay. I did not think I was gonna like that, and I think it's beautiful. Wow. Okay. I think it's also gonna be really pretty for the lower lashes. Yeah, I'm not mad at that at all, you guys. Okay. Overall, I'll finish this one off camera. Overall, I think it's a really beautiful calendar. I feel like more specifically, you know, if it was a gift or something like that, I don't know that I would pay full price for it. Just have to be honest about that. But the, you know, the delivery of it all, the packaging, the component, the fact that I can reuse this, I mean, it feels very, very well made. There are a few products that I really love already, and then a few new products that I really like and did not think I was going to. Pillow Talk, of course, is a classic. I use the liner and the lipstick consistently. I think they're great. I've used them for years. Yeah, I think overall I'm gonna give it like a 4 out of 5 yellow hearts. I feel like it could be a little bit better, and or I could have received a few more full-size products. Thank you guys for all the love and everything on my Beautylish Lucky Bag video. Thank y'all for saying yes to seeing this, even though, you know, it's the end of January. But thank you guys anyway. I appreciate you being here so much. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting. I'm always up in the comments, you guys. I really try my best to heart every comment and try to stay connected with you guys and have that conversation with you guys in the comments. It's super important to me. Thank you so much to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. I recently got my la 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 la